Hey guys, Gael Level here. And boy oh boy am I happy. We made it, guys. We made it. We made it to 1,000 subs. Even past, we're already past 1,000 subs. I did not expect it to happen that fast, okay? So, although this is not a celebration video, this is mostly a channel update, so it's not gonna I'm wishing that I'm not gonna have to cut or edit this at all, but I want to let you guys know that well, first of all, thank you. Thank you so much. You guys made this happen, to be honest. My main channel was my what is now my Gael Level channel, Gael Level Vlogs. Oh my god, I cannot speak. Gael Level Vlogs was my main channel. It was originally called just Gael Level. Now it's Gael Level Vlogs because I only upload vlogs there. And Gael Level Gaming, which was this channel, was my secondary channel. It was called Gael Level Gaming. Right now it's just Gael Level, and the other one is Gael Level Vlogs. So if you want to know, I'm gonna be uploading more on the Gael Level Vlogs. So if you want to know like things about events and stuff like that, I just went to Insomnia I-62 in Birmingham, UK. So I'm gonna be uploading a video about that on the other channel. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I cannot express how excited and happy I am because we did it so fast. I only started like putting effort into this thing I don't know, 4 months ago, like November last year, end of November. I was like, you know what, I should probably upload a couple of videos on this channel. We're already at the 1,000 subs. That also means that I'm going to try and monetize my videos, and hopefully if everything works well, I might even make a living out of this, and that means more content for you. It's so awesome. I'm so happy. Honestly, I'm so happy, okay? But do not fear. I am trying to get this channel to the next level, okay? No pun intended, all right? I am going to be making even more tutorials. I'm going to be making more basic tutorials, but also like more advanced tutorial. I got this little thing here, and I might even show you. I'm purposely not showing it to you guys, but I might make a video on how to cheaply display your heart rate during your live streams, or even on your YouTube videos if you're doing gaming or if you're playing scary games. I am currently working on a prototype for my Twitch channel. So what I have in mind is basically have a system that would shoot a soap bubble gun every time there's an alert, every time someone follows, hosts, raids, donates, and cheers. So or subscribe, mostly subscribe, and maybe I would like change how long it would press on the bubble gun. But yeah, that's like, I'm working on that. So if you guys know anything about coding and you know how to do this, contact me please, because we need to talk. I don't know anything about coding, so I'm struggling a lot. But yeah, I'm working on so many projects right now. I'm gonna be showing you more stuff. I'm giving more advice, basically uploading more videos. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, I'm gonna try to grind and upload multiple videos a week. Not a promise. Don't hold me to that promise. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try my hardest to actually make this work and make this channel grow even more. Because the next stop is 10,000 subs. All right. So yeah, guys. Once again, thank you so much. This wasn't a celebration video. I'm probably gonna make a little montage, something similar to my channel trailer, because I don't like my actual channel trailer, so I might do another one. But oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You made it happen. I was so happy when I got the email, or when I logged into my YouTube account. I was like, 1,000. That's it. So for now, we're not YouTube partners yet. We're not in the partner program. Nothing is monetized yet. So I'm waiting for YouTube to get it done. I mean, like start doing it professionally, you know? So thank you so much for going through, like for listening to me like ramble about how happy I am and seeing how happy I am. But yeah, I'm so happy. I'm really so happy. Like I get a lot of comments about, oh, you should have more subs. Well, I have enough subs. Like I'm happy about the number of subs I recently got, which is a 1K subs. All right, okay, let's push forward, guys. No excuses. I still have the same crappy internet. That's not gonna stop me. I'm still gonna be bringing more videos to you guys, and thank you so much. Don't forget, you can check me out on Twitter, and also follow me on Twitch if you want to see my live streams. Sometimes I talk more in depth about stuff that I make video of. And on Twitter, I just speak my mind, okay? If I have a problem or if I have something great happening, you'll know about it on Twitter. And sometimes I post like little sneak peeks of what I'm working on. So yeah, definitely follow me on Twitter and on Twitch. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for 1K subs. Gael level out.